Hello friends, myself Dr. Jyoti Verma. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Jyoti Education Hub. Today we are talking about one of the most important app of Google, which is Google Keep. It is a note-taking services platform, free web-based Google Docs editor services offered by Google. It was launched in 2013. It's supported and operated through Android, iOS, and web-based services developed by Google, and its program language is Java, and it captures what in our mind in every time. So it is a very useful and very effective tool app, which we can do many more things, like we can organize our notes, label them, share the notes, and add collaborators. uh, we can make reminders, we can do drawings, insert image, to prepare to-do list, and archive and delete notes, and search and share notes and list. So these are some specific features which are available to Google Keep. So now let's see how we can access this app and how we can utilize these features. So first, go to the Google and go to the your 9 dots. Click on here. Okay. Click on your I will increase the screen size so it will clearly visible to all. Okay, then click on 9 dots, and now you can find out here lots of Google app like Google Classroom, Google Earth, Jamboard, etc. So this is yellow color square box. Under this one bulb is blowing. This is called the Google Keep. So click on it. Now it is opening. So here you can see that few of my notes are available in my Google Keep. So how you can create your own notes and how you can organize your folder. So let's begin with first to create a notes. So click on title here. You can write your title just like I want to write that my today's activity, what I want to do today. So here I can write down that all my teaching learning activities are completed. Okay, so this is my note. Now I want to give some color so that easily we can identify some different notes here. So I can give this. Okay, I will give the pink color. Okay, now here we can see that some other things are there. So let's see one by one. This button is called the bell like button. This is called remind me. When you click on it, it will ask to when you want to remind the messages. So later today, tomorrow, next week, or pick as date we want. So I pick my date on by tomorrow 24. Okay, 24 and 3:30 a.m. Okay, does not repeat. Okay, and I click on save. So this reminder is set on my Google Keep. Next, here you can find out that the collaborator option. Here when you click on it, you can find out here you can simply write down the email address of your collaborator, and he or she will join to your Google Keep notes. Okay, and this icon is for change the color. So now I want to change the color, so this is some different color. Okay, if I want to add some image in my notes, so I click on this option and add image option, and now I can choose one image. I have selected this image. Okay, and now click on. Here you can see that this image is uploaded. Okay, so now this notes is created. I want to if I want to pin or unpin the note. Okay, and now I close. Here you can see that you can not find any save option, so you can simply do to close the notes and it will appear in the front. Okay, this time it is pinned, so it is showing separately, but when you do unpin, then it is available. Now go to the next feature. If I want to label my these notes and I want to organize in different folder or different activity which I have created, so here you can find more options. So click on it. You can see that here you delete option. So if you want delete any notes, you can click on it. Okay, and now next option is add label. So when I want to categorize my this note in some previously created notes, or we can create new folder for it and organize our notes. So add label, and previously I have created some label for my notes. So here I choose one my task folder. So I click on it and now it is available to my that folder. So when I click my task, then here you can see that I have previously two folder I have created, and this is my recent created folder and it is available on this label. So in this way you can organize your notes. Now move to the next feature. Here you can see that add drawing. If you want to add some drawing in your note, so you can draw. Okay. So I draw one figure. This is a picture of one flower. I will draw a leaf for it. Okay, and now I want to if I want to give some background, so now this is background I have selected, and now go to the back. So here you can see that the drawing which I have created there, it is available in my notes. So in this way we can some creative work we can do in our notes, and make a copy. If you want to make a copy of same notes, so you can choose this option. So checkbox. In this option, if I want to add some activity or list of items, so by these features we can arrange them all. For example, I have written here all my teaching learning activity are completed. The next tasks for today's are for organize, attend a meeting. Okay, attend a meeting. And one more item I have added, go to the market. This is my another task or my today's activity. In this way I can organize the things. Okay. And grab image to text. Here for by clicking this option, whatever written in the image text, that will convert it to in word form, text form. Okay, so when I click on it, you can see that the message which is written here, it is available in the text form. So this is very useful that we can do. Now one another option is there. You can see this button. It is also available in your Gmail, in which it is called as archive option, in which we can remove the notes from our this window, but it is available in our archive, and whenever we need, we can again retrieve that notes and we can find out. So in this way we can organize our notes. here you can see in this option, this is list of view. How we want to see our list of view of our notes. So in this way, this is available in grid view, and if we want, we can change the another way. This is called vertical arrangement of. Okay, now again I move to the grid way, and if you want to change the position of notes, you can simply drag and drop. Okay, in this way we can arrange the notes. So easy it is. One interesting features also on this, that if we want to copy the text of our Google Keep to our Microsoft documents over Google Doc. So simply go to your Google Doc. Okay. Go to this is the symbol of Google Doc. Click on it. Open one new Google Documents. Okay. Now you can see here that here Google Calendar is available, and here you can see the symbol of Google Keep. So click on it. Now all the notes you have created on your Google Keep, that is available on here. So simply whatever notes you want to in your Google Doc, you can simply drag and drop. So it will come on your Google Documents. Image, text, whatever you want, you can simply drag and drop, and all these are available in your Google document. So easy to work on it. So in this way you can use Google Keep for your note taking and organizing your day-to-day activity or your daily thoughts, and you can remind your activity. So I hope that you are like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much.